Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok crashing issue. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. One of the main issues while operating TikTok is it might crash now and then, and it might be pretty annoying for you. So in that case, here are some solutions you could try out. The first thing to make sure is to have a stable internet connection. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data if you've not turned it on. Now, go to the search box at the top once you do that and type in TikTok in the box. Once you perform your search, if you see an update button popping up right next to TikTok app, then simply tap on the update button and download the latest version of the application. If you see an open button like this, it means your application is already updated. Once you have the updated version of TikTok, most of your problems might be solved, since the latest updates comes up with bug fixes and performance. Not updating your TikTok application might be another reason you experience the crashing issue, since the outdated version of TikTok contains bugs which might be the main cause for your TikTok app to crash unexpectedly. If updating your application works for you, then that's great, but if it does not, the next thing to do is to clear out TikTok cache. Simply find the TikTok application from the app drawer and press hold to the app. Tap on App Info in the pop-up, which will take you to this App Info page. Now, click Storage, and now click on Clear Cache at the bottom right-hand corner on the next page. Doing this will delete your cache files from the TikTok application, which might be the main cause why you are not being able to work on with your TikTok app. After you clear out your cache, your problem might be solved. Simply go launch open your TikTok app and see if that fixes your issue. If nothing else works out, simply uninstall TikTok by pressing hold to the app and tapping on uninstall. Confirm your selection by tapping on OK in the pop-up. And once you uninstall your app, go back to Play Store and reinstall it again. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever you are not being able to use your TikTok application since it keeps crashing. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.